In this video, we're going to show you to install gas tank straps on your Toyota Tundra located underneath the vehicle. Now on the bottom side here of your fuel tank, our particular model has a splash shield here, and there's going to be 4 13mm nuts. There's going to be one here. There's normally one just beside it, but ours is broken and missing, and then there's going to be 2 more further up towards the front. I'm going to go ahead and loosen and remove these. Now we did go ahead and spray ours down with some rust penetrant before we tackle this job. Ours is missing here, so let's go ahead and move to the 2 on the front. And hold the shield while you remove the last one. And then drop the shield down and set it aside. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our gas tank support here before we unbolt the nuts holding our gas tank straps. Now there's a strap on the front and one in the rear. Now between the frame rail and the tank itself, there's a 17mm nut here and there's one on the back. Before we loosen them, support that tank. Okay, our tank is supported. Let's go ahead and loosen those strap nuts. I'm going to use our extension with our 17mm. Get to remove that nut. Let's go ahead and move to the rear and remove that one. Now let's go ahead and get that rear one. On the other side of our gas tank strap, there is a pivot pin that runs through, and it's held in place by a little cotter pin. Now we're going to use our needle nose pliers. We're just going to stretch that hook over and pull that cotter pin out like so. And you want to be careful with these because we want to reuse these. So go ahead and set that aside. Now we want to remove that pin. Go ahead and pull that pin. Let's go ahead and do the same for the back. After you remove that cotter pin, you go ahead and slide the bolt out, or the pin, and then remove the strap. Now that we have our pin out, we can remove our strap, and we'll go ahead and grab our new straps and get those installed. Now when performing a job like this here with our straps, you can do one strap at a time, and you just need to support one side of the tank at a time. We had a full gas tank support, so we chose to do both straps at the same time. Go ahead and line up the front strap. We did put some anti-seize on our pin. Take your cotter pin, push that through. Now that we have our cotter pin installed, let's go ahead and install the rear strap. Install a rear strap and put your pin in. Work that through. We're going to install our pin on the rear here. Now at this point, we're going to raise the tank up in a position and install the nuts on the other side. And raise up our tank a little bit. Maneuver that strap around. Go ahead and get that nut started. Now we're just going to go ahead and get this started, a few threads, make sure it's good and secure. And then we're going to go ahead and get the back one started. Then we're going to come back to the front one, tighten it down. And then we'll proceed to the back and snug that one down. Let's go ahead and tighten down that rear strap. Let's go ahead and tighten down the front. With the tank secure, we can now lower the jack. Let's go ahead and install our shield on the bottom. with the back nut started. Let's go ahead and get the front ones lined up. And then you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.